Hey everybody, welcome to Bonafide Adventures. I am in the process of building a new camper, and this is a progress update for you who are paying attention, subscribed. But for you who are new to my channel, I am going to be replacing that camper. And as you guys can see, I got my tent ready. It is close to time to do the frame up. I have been priming these sheets. These are unprimed. I still have a fair amount to go. And these are already primed with epoxy primer. And they come out pretty darn good. Much stiffer, nicer. And today I did, these are some down there who are freshly done cooking away. But I need to make the crib strong back. I should give you a real quick look what I am in the process of doing. So this is what I'm going to make. Yeah, there, that makes sense. So this is strong back. The camper is going to sit on it. That doesn't make much sense. Let's pull out another sheet. You guys understand? There we are. Back here. So I am building this part of the camper. It is the top part. This part goes inside the bed. That is the second part. More on that later, so be sure to stay tuned. But what I need to do is build this part, the top part. So, this is very thin. In order to support it and make sure it's all square and level and sitting just right, I needed to build some sort of cribbing, strong back, something for it to sit on. So as you see, this side will be here. Yeah, sits right here holding that part up, and this will be right here holding this part up. And this is an overview, of course, and it all comes from these two sheets of plywood, and I have it all laid out. It's all 6 inches, 6 inches, 6 inches, 6 inches. So I've got the sheets here ready to cut with my $1 million plunge saw for the very first time. See how nice and clean it is. And I got some lines already as far as I could reach. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. But once this is all nicely cut up, I am going to hopefully glue it up with a little of this Gorilla Glue. I don't know if it's any good. I'm hoping it'll be good enough. And get it over there in the old shed ready to start framework. So that's what I am working on now, and hopefully I'm going to end this video with it ready to go in the shed. It's Sunday. Been working my butt off. We are just at the end of our peak season. Hopefully you guys can see out there. I work at a you guys can see out there, right? Yeah. I work at a plant farm, and we deliver plants to nurseries, perennials and annuals and all that good stuff. Vegetables, herbs, and so in the beginning of the season, it takes us a long time to get every nursery well stocked for the season. And we are at that point now. I was hoping for tomorrow off. Today is Sunday, but he did say he had a quick run to Boston, pretty easy. But I think this is going to be the last Monday. I only usually work, usually it's like Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. So not even Thursday sometimes, but Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, that sort of thing. That's why I love this job. It doesn't wear me out, gives me the option to do fun things in life, but still pay the bills. So, enough about me rambling on. Some of you have been sticking around a while. I just feel like I need to give you an update why it's not getting banged out in normal YouTube time, as I work for a living. But, yeah. Let's get to work. That's enough talk. Alright, that is pretty cool. I like that. Looks like it cut perfectly. Yeah, I like that a lot. That is pretty neat. Growing up through the years of different types of equipment, that's pretty darn neat. Just wish it didn't cost so damn much. There's my speaker. I was listening to the Rolling Stones. I'm going to go back to that. You guys don't need to see me cut all that up, but that's a pretty cool saw. I wish I had a vacuum. Alright everybody, how about a little update? It's a week later. As you can see, hopefully, did pretty slim pickings over there. Slim pickings over there. The guys are loading up. I am going to Boston. Seems like a broken record whenever I do this update. I did a lot of Connecticut last week, so it was a nice break. But I am getting ready to move this out. Oh yeah. Oh no, it's still a little soft. But the glue should be hopefully good enough to move this. And this is what the cribbing looks like upside down. Strong back, whatever it's supposed to be called. This is the sides and this is the front, of course. I did make one little mistake according to the plans, but I've already compensated for it. Hopefully you can see in the plans. I guess I plan to have a gap here, measurement wise. There's a gap here. And of course when I built it, I forgot about the gap, and built it all the way down, but this is still 22 inches, but I still need a few more inches for the back of the camper. But here in the next take here soon, hopefully you guys can see I got some bricks, and hopefully that'll take care of that issue. I'll just rest this on some bricks, and hopefully that'll work. Let me get this out, get her together, and we'll wrap this video up. Well, guys, I got it in here, and I guess I'm going to have to call it quits. The caulking gun I was using for the glue is not mine, and the bozo's trying to fix the truck out there. It's completely destroyed the caulking gun, so that is done. But I got it in here. Looks pretty damn neat. I'm liking it. I'm gonna go ahead and call it quits. I still got a lot more places, you know, glue needs to go in here and in here to keep this. See, it's pretty stable now, but glue needs to go in there. Everything is just about level. I need to get a package of shims, and then I'll try to check for square once more, but everything is almost spot on, perfect. I'd like to, the better I make this, the better the camper will fit the truck. And I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's ticks here, and they've been chasing me around. Here's another one. They've been chasing me around the tent, trying to get me. This is tick country. Got some here. Got a guy down here. Around the floor. They can smell me. They haven't gotten me yet. Oh, that could be a deer tick. So, guys, crawl on here. How you like that, guys, huh? Ticks on the floor, in the corner. This corner is loaded up. So, yeah, a lot of fun. I am in the town of Old Lyme, and Ground Zero was in the town of Lyme. That's why it's called Lyme disease. These are dog ticks. The deer ticks are, that could be one over there. When I edit this video, I'll be able to get a better look at it. But nothing on me yet. That's why I wear shorts, so I can feel them crawling up me. I'll do a tick check tonight. So far so good. They're on the outside too. It is what it is. I'll get some shims. I'll get this perfectly square. But that's what she looks like. So the camper rests here. The bunk rests there, of course. I had this old piece of rug. I'm hoping it'll collect sawdust, bits of paint, and all sorts of, you know, debris from doing this fiberglass and everything else. And then I'll just roll it up, throw it away, and have it out of my life. It's been hanging around way too long. I'll hope you enjoyed this show. And I'll see you on the next one. Now it's time to get working on the frame. It's the 1st of June. I wanted to have the marriage of the camper and the truck to be mid-July, but I'm kind of behind now where I thought I should be. Whether I could pull it off or not, I just don't know right now. The one deadline I have is at the end of September. I've got to be down the road. So it has to be roadworthy by the end of September. The marriage might be the end of July. That's the only issue. And then it's interior August, September. I sure hope it doesn't get any later than that. I've got all the supplies. I'm ready to go. Stay tuned. It might get interesting from here. Once the frame is put in here, I think you guys might appreciate it more. And yeah, thanks for watching. Let's do a thumbnail, shall we? Yeah, maybe that'll be good enough. See ya.